Hey guys, it is coronavirus day 344 and again we have like yesterday we have increased the amount of cases, and it has 1,150 would be. So things are just getting like they've loosened, and then for the past few days, and then they got worse again. But we've seen this happen all the time, so it's not the first. So today, 376 cases are from Toronto, 264 is from Peel Region, 180 is from York Region, and 73 is from Ottawa. All other regions reported under 50. 747 deaths have been reported today, and with the variants, 385 UK variants, 9 South African variants, and 1 Brazilian variant are right now. So the UK variant has increased. South African variant had decreased by 1, and no changes for Brazilian variant cases, which is still at 1. Health units. Okay, now. So health inspectors will be coming to small businesses reopening this month in an effort to boost the compliance with the pandemic order. So they're gonna make sure all small businesses are following the coronavirus safety rules, and of course so there will be follow-up visits for people. So the rules are pretty standard, you know. Because of course the health unit will be your business will be temporarily forced to close or something. And of course, rule number 2 is focusing on businesses that are contravening on orders. Of course, So it's important businesses that do follow these rules, and So no matter what color zone it is, like yeah, the big three rules are pretty standard, and well, with the rule number 2 being the most standard one. So some businesses is still not opened, and as in though as a recap. If any business breaks any of the rule number 2 rules, and of course if it is not sanitary, and of course, yeah, there's health regulatory guidelines for owners, for business owners to be in the safe, they need to be in green. So of course, I think it was the yellow. Now that was next. Down and then of course if you were put in the red, yeah, close your business. So it's a very important people choose to actually follow these rules. And as an update right now, so green zone we have so the schedule is Toronto, Peel Region, and actually York Region and North Bay Parry Sound will be returning to the color zone, with York Region definitely going into the red zone, and North Bay Parry Sound, they might go in the red, or they might go in gray zone, or they might join the Niagara Region in the gray zone, or they could be put in the orange zone. So apparently Toronto and Peel Region health units have requested to stay in lockdown, in the stay at home rules until March 9th. So I know many people in Toronto and Peel Region will be very angered by this, so I know. But it's because of the coronavirus variants. That's why, if you were wondering why. So, green zone, we have Leeds, Grenville, Lanark Region, Timiskaming County, Kingston, Frontenac, Lennox, and Addington, Hastings and Prince Edward County, Renfrew County, yellow zone, Algoma County, Grey Bruce County, Northwestern Ontario, Peterborough, orange zone, Brant Region, Eastern Ontario, Haldimand, Norfolk Region, Haliburton, Cork, and Northumberland County, Huron, Perth Region, Lambton Region, Ottawa Region, Porcupine County, and Greater Sudbury, red zone, Chatham-Kent Region, Hamilton, Durham Region, Halton Region, London Middlesex Region, Waterloo Region, Simcoe Muskoka Region, Southwestern Ontario, Thunder Bay, Wellington-Dufferin-Guelph Region, Windsor Essex Region, and soon to join on Monday will be York Region, Grey Zone, Niagara Region, still under lockdown, Toronto and Peel Region. and York Region, and you'll notice down on the list I've added the star symbol next to York Region and North Bay Parry Sound Region, because yeah, they're not going to stick. They're not going to stay in that lockdown. They're free Monday morning, 12:01 a.m. So the coronavirus, the main three big three rules I was talking about, of course, there's fines for individuals who don't wear a mask and or face covering in businesses and indoor public spaces and crowded outdoor spaces. So that's the rule. That's standard in outdoor crowded spaces now. And then rule number 2 is this one. This one is the one for the businesses, and it is, yeah. Not only is the health units rating, checking if the businesses are following the rules, but of course they could close businesses if some businesses aren't being sanitary, or for health regulations. And of course, the health regulations have existed before coronavirus even hit. So this is very standard. And I mentioned green is the good. The business has to be put in green to be safe. Yellow, okay, they've sort of made it. Orange, okay, that's sort of serious. And red, closure of businesses. I think it was. I don't really know, but I've seen businesses, some businesses with under yellow and orange before. So basically, if a business, or if they have health, they have to if they have a personalized staff only washroom, or maybe they're maybe it's a restaurant selling stuff, or that kind of stuff. Every single business needs to show these. But now, the rule number 2, which is fines and even closures for businesses that are contravening an order, meaning running a business when told to close temporarily, because maybe someone one staff member got the coronavirus or the variant. So if not coronavirus screening staff, no mask on, no breaking capacity rules, no safety rules for staff posted, and not checking if the staff are following coronavirus rules. It is standard. Several businesses in Hamilton have broke these rules. And Hamilton's been naming and shaming these businesses since November. It's getting ugly. And of course, fines and gatherings for gatherings exceeding more than a given number of people in various color zones who are not from the same household, which is green zone, it is 10 people indoors, 25 outdoors. Red zone, and this applies all the way to the yellow zone and orange zone, I think, because they never said anything. So that's that. Red zone, 5 indoors, 25 outdoors. Gray zone, none. Stay at home region, none. So fines may be from $880 to $1,000 per person. So takeout, drive-thru, and delivery service to restaurants, bars, and cafes are still available. So if you don't have enough, if you can't get a seating in restaurants because it's already full, you'll have to resort to that. Rules are down below. Okay, I'm okay. I have some good news. So 689 people are hospitalized with the coronavirus. Okay, minus 69 compared to yesterday. We're lowering again. And 269 patients in ICU, minus 8. Okay, good. And 190 patients of them are using a ventilator, minus 2. Okay, slight improvement. That's good. Long-term care homes. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, so long-term care homes. Okay, luckily the deaths have not been increased. It's still the same as yesterday, 3,730. However, okay, so unfortunately increase there's an increase of 12 of current coronavirus outbreaks and 130 now. So please, follow coronavirus safety rules. Use social media to contact others. Only go on essential travel, and please follow color zone regulations. And also, and if you're please keep in mind Toronto and Peel region are starting Monday will continuously still be in under lockdown. So with stay-at-home rules, don't forget that. So and York region will be under the most likely be under the red zone, where and we shall find out later, somewhat afternoon today, like it'll be approved tomorrow what color zone North Bay Perry Sound will be put in on Monday. So don't go to the province of vaccinations. The fine is $500 and 6 months in jail. Stay safe, folks.